Hey there! Today we are going to control a servo motor by Arduino Uno. You can connect a small servo motor directly to an Arduino. So without wasting time, let's start it. Components needed for our projects are a servo motor, an Arduino Uno, and 3 jumper wires. Now it's time to complete the diagram wiring. In this experiment, attach 3 jumpers to the servo pin. Then connect the servo brown wire to ground pin of the Arduino. After that, connect the red servo wire to the 5V of the Arduino, and then connect the servo yellow wire to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. So after wiring complete, it looks like this. Now power on the Arduino board by connect your computer using the USB cable. Before we work on our sketch, make sure to download the Arduino IDE for your specific operating system. I'll leave a link in my description box where you can download this software and code. You can check it. So this is our whole program. When the program starts running, the servo motor will rotate slowly from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, 1 degree at a time. When the motor has rotated 180 degrees, it will begin to rotate in the other direction until it returns to home position. The code in the setup part of the program tells the Arduino that pin 8 as output, and this command to rotate the servo to the specified angle. In the void loop, this command to move the motor from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, and this command to move the motor from 180 degrees to 0 degrees. Now we verify our program. You can see there is no problem shown in the black box. Now go to the tools, make sure select the board which you use for your project, and also make sure that you select the port which you use. Then select the upload button. After uploading the program on the Arduino board, connect a battery to provide power supply to the circuit. After power supply, your motor will start to rotate slowly. These motors are used in robotic arm machines, flight controls and control system, and so on. So our project is ready. Thanks for watching. That's for today. Please share and subscribe this channel.